A big hello to all my wonderful champions out there, my dearest children. This video is going to be a bit extra special for B.Sc nursing students out there because I'm going to talk about the fee structure and the seat matrix released by KEA for you guys. Okay, so this update have been obviously available since few days now, that is 3 days, okay, but there might be some children who might still not know. So this is for all of you guys, and also if you are someone who didn't understand that how does the fee structure work, then I am here to make you understand that. So first of all, how do you access by yourself is that you have to go to KEA's official website, click on admissions, click on UG CET 2025, and over here the second thing that you see is UG CET 2025 B.Sc nursing seat matrix and fee structure. Click on that and again you will get a drop down. You click on B.Sc nursing seat matrix. Once you click on that, my dear children, here are the colleges which are participating. Over here I'll zoom in a bit. So Government College of Nursing, Victoria Hospital, Fort, Bangalore. So it is what type of college? It is a government college. So that means fees over here will be lesser. Now depending on which category you fall into, the number of seats for each category are being mentioned: CAT 1, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, SC, ST, and general merit as well. And then also there is what do you call these special categories out there: sports, scout, defense, and all of this would be there. So depending upon it, you will get to know. But the major thing, I will say the major use of this particular file is that you will get to understand whatever college you are looking forward for, whether it's government or whether it's private. Okay, so you will have an understanding for that. Why do you need an understanding for that? In that way, you can get to understand what will be the fee structure for the same as well. Government will have different, private will also have different structure. Okay, so now we are going to see how you can look for the fee structure. So you have to go back over here, B.Sc nursing fee structure, click on that, and tada, something like this opens up. Yes, yes. So here we have the fee structure. So seats in government colleges, that is 100% to be filled through KEA. Understand that there are government colleges that I showed you, right? Fully government colleges. Over here 100% of seats are to be filled by you guys only, and the fees would be 10,000 rupees per year. Okay, the fees is comparatively very lesser if you see for other courses out there. Okay, so seats in government colleges to be filled through KEA. Over here the fees is 10,000 rupees. Now my dear children, in private colleges also there are certain government seats, that is 20% of the seats are government seats. Those also have to be filled by you guys. Okay, if you have a good grade rank, then probably you can avail this. The fees remains the same, it is rupees 10,000. So even in private colleges also, for example, there are certain private colleges that you are looking forward for, you like the college but you're worried about the fees, then please look for the government seats as well, because it is available and the fees is comparatively lesser. Now there is management quota seats, 60% of it to be filled through what? The KEA. So over here the domicile of Karnataka, if you are someone who has a domicile of Karnataka, for you guys the fees would be rupees 1 lakh per year. If you are someone who do not have a domicile of Karnataka, you are outside Karnataka, in that case it would be rupees 1 lakh, it will be rupees 1,40,000 per year. And then management quota seats to be filled through the management itself. There is another category over here, domicile of Karnataka. If you have it, again 1 lakh. If you do not have it, 1,40,000. So this is what they have shared as of now. If at all we get more updates regarding all of this thing, we will definitely try to keep you posted. Okay, and if at all you have any doubts around things, please put it down in the comment section. If we can, okay, we will definitely try to help you guys as well. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel and also like the video if you think it was useful for you guys. Wishing you all the best and praying that you land up in the best college out there. Bye-bye. Take care.